Hey guys, someone asked for a video of my garage door opener. I'm about to close it so I can do that. Also, I raised the Nutone up 6 inches, so now it just barely clears the garage door, and I think it's going to stay. The only thing I don't like is that it's 48 and back there is 52, and I already said I didn't want to do a 48-inch fan in here. I wanted 52 or 56. I just didn't realize this was 48 when I put it up. But it mates well with a Blenderfan. And it looks good with the half pipes. The height's good, the clearance is good, the air movement's good. So it's probably gonna stay. Like I said, if I change it, it would be an Emerson of some sort, i.e. another Blenderfan, either the 4-blade with the housing or a 3-blade without. So here's the garage door for the person that requested that. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. So not sure why they wanted to see that, but I'm happy to show you. There was no bulb in it when I moved in. I didn't even notice. Chris Lights just reached up and put a bulb in it, so that's his doing. So I'm gonna run to the shop and Menards, come back and do some more work on the garage. I'm doing a lot of cleaning and organizing out here, so we can do some more fan work. So. Thanks for watching.